Hello everyone, we have another 2023 LEGO Friends set in front of us. So this is the third from the room series. This is Liann's room. It contains 204 pieces and retailed at 35 New Zealand dollars. Very excited to open this one today since the other two were pretty good. And before we start building and take a detailed look at this particular set, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a like. And here we go, let's open it. And now we have completed Lian's room. I did enjoy the building experience, but one thing you notice is there a lot more space in Lian's room compared to the other two rooms. Before we take a look at the details of Lian's room, we first take a look at Lian's and Autumn. I want to highlight the fact that Autumn is an amputee, so it's very nice that LEGO created these pieces. Even though I'm not a fan of mini doll, this is really cool to see, and also comes with two very cool new hair pieces as well. And here is Lian's pet lizard. Popcorn is a recolor of the lizard from some of the Frozen set from Disney Princess. It's a very cute lizard. I really like the color. And you also had something for popcorn to stand on. This is a really cool stand for animals. And without a doubt, Leanne's passions definitely painting. Like you can see the painting of popcorn. The painting are stickers, which is fine because it makes sense for it to have stickers. I've got some cup to hold some water to dilute the paint, and even the painting stand is very well done. And it looks really nice. Now back to Lian's room. Obviously, she loves painting, so you can see lots of paint around, and also someone spilled the paint on the floor. This is a new color, which is pink. In last year, Lego City also comes with some other colors too. And here we have Popcorn's tank. Unfortunately, like it's quite easy for him to escape. I think the same thing happened with the modular bookstore when they introduced the blue chameleon. Also, the tank is not very secure, and on top of the tank, you've got some books, which you can see. At first, I thought it's Spider-Man, but it's something else. The paintball, and Lian also into skateboarding. I think the corner here is very well done. It's a very nice design, in my opinion. She also has a tablet on her designs. Unfortunately, this is a sticker. This is something which I think a printed tile would make much more sense and more useful. You might figuring out where Lian's bed, and this is where's her bed. So this is initially a bookshelf with a stereo, but you can actually put it down and refuse Lian's bed. But I'm not sure, practically how it's gonna work. Because I'm surely the books, right, well, this design is very secure, but in reality, by the time you spin that down, everything might just falls apart. And you've got another sticker here, which is pretty hard to align on some Lian's photo and some of her hats. Again, exterior wise is very clean. You can see the type of house or apartment that she's living in. I think this corner here is looking really good. Unfortunately, here it doesn't have any window. It's supposed to have a window, but you can imagine how her house actually look like. And this is Lian's room, and it's completely different to the previous two rooms with a totally different vibe. And painting and skateboarding is Lian's thing, but in this particular set, the painting aspect plays a more important part. And overall, the building experience is very enjoyable because of the little things that you get to build. A highlight for me is definitely the corner here and those paintings. And it's definitely a bonus to get a cute lizard in such a small set. Compared to the other two, the less complexity, but I still like the set quite much because if you put the bed away, you have tons of place to place your minifigures or mini dolls as you like, and just can't say no to new hairstyles. But overall, I would definitely recommend this set to everyone. So let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below, and just one small set to go from the new 2023 LEGO Friends Room series. So remember to subscribe so you don't miss out the final room from this 2023 first wave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.